The six-syllable mantra appears too simplistic. Does it possess significant power and profound meaning?
At the beginning, I said that money combines all the Buddha's teaching. So now I will tell you a reason why. Because money has 6 words: Om, Mani, Padme, Hum. 6 words. Om also basically 3 words: A, U, Ma, Om. So 3 words also means your body, speech, and mind. This is symbolizing that. Money means jewel. Money means also the method. Money also means there are many Avalokiteśvara's body, and then one of them is holding the jewel. So it basically is important to remember is money is also the jewel and also the method. Padme, as I said, that one of the Avalokiteśvara is holding wish fulfilling jewel, and one hand is also holding lotus. So this symbolizing that, and also another symbolization is Padme is also wisdom. So Tabta Shirap, your method and your wisdom. All the Buddha's teaching is all about method and wisdom. So that's why it's considered that Om Mani Padme Hum holds all the Buddha's teaching. Last one is Hum, which is combined wisdom and method. So it's like a bird cannot fly with one wing. You need 2 wings. So just like that, you need wisdom and method to work together to get you out of this samsara, to liberate.